I'm Kathy.
And I'm Annie.
And we're the Thrive Life
Sisters. And we love homemade dressing, much better than store-bought dressing. So we're going to show you what we do. And this one that I'm going to do right here is a popular one.
That's a basic one that our mom used to make when we were younger. Just simple ingredients.
So these are cloves of garlic. And I keep my garlic in the freezer. Do you?
When I have too much, yes. But it just makes it last longer.
All right. And then, oh, I need a little knife.
I'll get you one.
Okay, so I'm just gonna press this garlic. And you can also, my mom used to do it with the back of a spoon and just kind of squeeze it in salt and pepper, and she did it that way, but
this is so much faster.
This is so much faster. All right. Then a bit of pepper and a bit of salt. And that's really nice on the salad. With some avocado oil. You can use sesame seed oil or virgin olive oil, whichever oil that suits your fancy. This one's a little bit lighter. And that's what we want. We want a lighter oil. And some balsamic. We can use red wine vinegar, any vinegar that you want, but I like this one because it adds a little bit more flavor. So, all right, so there it is. You can actually put it on any dressing, and it's super easy, and it's all set to go.
And then we're gonna elaborate on this basic dressing, which is amazing for everything. You can throw that on a pasta salad, a quinoa salad, a green salad, but we're gonna elaborate and make it like a raspberry vinaigrette. From this basic dressing, we'll add that in. I will add just a little bit of water, just to because our raspberries are dry, so I just want to add a little bit of water. And I'm going to add a bit of sweetness of stevia. You can add any sugar, honey, whatever you want. And then I'll add some raspberries. I like the bottom of the can just because all that powder is basically what I want in there. So then immersion blender. And that is it. And then there's your raspberry vinaigrette with the real raspberries, and you can add that onto
any fruity salad.
Yeah. And you can add any berries that you want to make that vinaigrette dressing. So it's just that easy. I hope you can give this a try, and remember to give us a thumbs up if you liked our video.
Thank you for joining us, and you can do this too.